Hey everyone, it's Amy from Donaldson, and this is Filtration in the Field. Hydraulic systems are everywhere on the farm. In fact, on my family's farm, I've counted at least 10 different pieces of equipment with hydraulic systems. Each of these hydraulic systems have a lot of moving parts, like pumps and actuators, and it's important to keep the fluid in these systems clean. Dirty fluid can wreak havoc on those components, affecting performance and reliability. It could even take that piece of equipment out of production, costing you time and money. So don't forget to check your hydraulic filters regularly. And remember, Donaldson delivers OEM-grade filters to keep your equipment running smoothly. Because if it needs filtration, it needs Donaldson.